Hi everyone, welcome back to Nails by Mish. In this video, we're going to make these cute papaya nails on my friend Jem. These are about 3 weeks old, starting with cuticle prep, pushing back the cuticles. I like to use that cuticle softener, just makes everything easier. And depending on how grown out the nails are, I'll do this step first, or if they're not that grown out, I'll do this step after I've taken off the old gel. Just trimming back those cuticles. And I threw in an extra finger just because it was so satisfying. Now we're just taking down the length. My client here, she works at a desk, sort of. She does typing. And she wanted her nails shorter than usual. So we took down quite a bit of length. The base color that's on her nails is called Teddy, and it's by the Gel Bottle. So these nails, and I've just been filling over them for a long time. As long as there's no lifting of product, which you can tell if there is lifting by like lighter spots on the nail, then you have nothing to worry about. There's no way for moisture or anything to get in and under the nail, between the nail bed and the product. Well, that was me seasoning my bit. You season the bit so you don't cut the client. So you just turn it on and I just rub it against the nail file and just the edge of it just to smooth it down. And just prepping her nails. So my e-file is set to about like 1/3 the speed. It's hard to say in RPM, I don't really know, but it's about 1/3 the speed, and that is just because you want to be really gentle, and that is a 180 grit file that I'm using on her natural nails, and same with this one. This is also a 180 grit that I'm using to shape the nails. This rounded shape looks excellent on my client. I think it looks the best on her. It's like kind of rounded, almost almond. Very customized for her. I'm just smoothing the nails out, taking down any bulk. And I've gone and cleaned them up, and now applying another coat of Teddy. So I'm not doing a base coat, I'm going in right away, base coat and the builder coat. So you start with the wetting layer, so that's that first layer of just wet product, and then you grab another bigger piece of product, plop it on, and kind of walk it down. When you have the wetting layer, it really helps with the product smoothing out, evening out. And then what I did after this was I did flip her hand over so that the product could all run to the middle. And I watch it, and then as soon as it gets to the point where I want it to be, we'll flip it over and put it in the lamp to cure. And so now we're just painting them, these new nails. This color is called Army Brat, and it's by Nail Queen Studio. Anyone can buy her products online. This one's also by her. It's called Snow Bunny, and it is like a milky white. This color is completely made up. I mixed a bunch of colors together, so I can't really tell you what that was. Those were gel bottle colors that I meshed together, yellows and oranges and stuff. This was a design my client found on Pinterest. It's just like a bunch of little papayas on one finger, and then one big papaya on the thumbs. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm using that same yellow that I used on the nail bed there. I was originally like, I don't even know what I was doing there. I was like ombreing, I was like blending two colors in the middle, like the orangey color there. But it actually wasn't dark enough for like being a real papaya. So we ended up going in with a darker orange in the middle after. But basically a papaya is like, it's like a little like long-ish. Sometimes they're like fat. Almost like an avocado. Almost. Avocados are a little like more like pear-shaped. An avocado shaped. And as you see, I just put the paint on my fingernail because I have gel on, so it'll just wipe right off because it doesn't cure unless you put it in the lid. It's funny watching this sped up because it takes so long. 3 hours, well, 2.5 hours condensed down into 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Top coat, so satisfying. I love these nails. I think they look amazing. They are kind of like a nice in-between fall and it's still summery out kind of look. And we're just putting some cuticle oil on, and then I took some photos after. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, stay tuned because the next one is just as good. Thanks. Bye.